Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ cross-platform. Currently, DayZ does not offer full cross-platform compatibility across all major gaming systems. This means if you are playing on a personal computer, you can only connect with other personal computer players. Similarly, if you are on an Xbox console, you will only be able to play with other Xbox users, and PlayStation players are limited to their own network. There is no way to mix and match these three distinct platforms for gameplay. While full cross-platform play is not available, DayZ does support cross-generation play within the same console family. This is a significant advantage for many players. For example, if you own an Xbox One, you can absolutely join your friends who are playing on an Xbox Series X or S. The same applies to PlayStation users. A PlayStation 4 player can easily team up with someone on a PlayStation 5. This ensures that upgrading your console does not separate you from your existing friends. There are several key reasons why DayZ does not offer full cross-platform play. Firstly, the game runs on entirely separate server ecosystems for personal computer, Xbox, and PlayStation, making integration complex. Secondly, developers face challenges in balancing gameplay, as personal computer players often have advantages with mouse and keyboard controls and higher frame rates. Lastly, the underlying game engine itself has technical limitations that currently prevent seamless cross-platform functionality across these three distinct systems. As of now, Bohemia Interactive, the developers of DayZ, have not made any official announcements regarding the implementation of full cross-platform play. While the community often discusses this feature, players should not expect it in the immediate future. To stay informed about any potential changes or updates, we recommend following the official DayZ news channels and developer communications. Despite these limitations, the DayZ community remains vibrant and active within its dedicated platform groups, offering countless hours of survival gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.